Imagine looking up at the sky, and it suddenly turns green, purple, or red, like a giant light show in the clouds. That's an aurora, and honestly, it's one of the coolest things nature ever does. So here's the simple version. The sun sometimes shoots out a bunch of super-fast particles toward Earth. But don't worry, we're totally safe, because Earth has this magnetic force field. When those particles slam into the air in our atmosphere, boom, everything lights up. You can see auroras best on dark winter nights in places like Alaska, Iceland, or Norway. Pretty wild, right? Nature's basically out here flexing harder than any movie special effects. Enjoy the vibes!